Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today I want to practice with a wood shavings tinder bundle, and the way we'll ignite it is to use this charred punkwood, put a few pieces down in that tinder bundle, and then take and cast sparks down into that. The problem with this wood is it rained all last night. So of course we're going to process it down, get to that drier wood in the center, take off all of this wet bark. So let's start off with cutting it up. I like to cut it up and just cut out all the knots. Good, the moisture has not penetrated too far. They look pretty dry, but they feel very wet on the inside. Let's baton them up. Let's go ahead and make some shavings. A big double handful of shavings. All right, got more than a double handful of shavings here. I'm going to try to separate out these bigger ones. And we'll just use the smaller shavings for our tinder bundle. I feel a lot of moisture in these. All right. Let's get a couple pieces of charred punkwood. That should be enough. This is a Corona Razor 2 saw and shirt, and the knife is a More Companion stainless. Well, is the wind going to take it to flames for us? Let's just see. I want to build as big an ember as possible before I have to put it in the hobo stove. So I just saw a flame, but let's keep on building the ember. That's it. Now we'll just pile some fuel in on top of it. Let's give it a chance to catch. Yep, that is wet. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.